everybody. I appreciate y'all tuning into another video. I know it's been a little minute since I put out a video, which is why I actually did this video today. I actually came to work today, but I was like, you know, I've been daily driving the car and then it was rainy, so I was like, and I got this new bike mount, so I wanted to try the new angle. I was like, let me just go ahead and record a new video, you know, get a little skids in, nothing crazy, nothing too serious, but that's what I just wanted to do. And I love working in an industrial area because honestly, like even on my lunch break, I could just go out and go slide around. There's no police, it's nothing, it's industrial area, so they're never around here. It's kind of like just free reign over everything, and there's a bunch of heavy machinery and everything, so even though my car makes a lot of noise, nobody cares, so that's good. But yeah, like I said, I appreciate y'all you know, tuning into the video. Actually, today is New Year's Eve, so everybody watching this video, even though it's probably going to be after New Year's, I still want to wish everybody a happy new year. You know, I hope the new year brings everything that you want: more money, more success, more love, more happiness, more everything for everybody. So just want to say that, and hopefully it's a year for growth for everybody, me and everybody tuning in and watching. So I just want to thank you for all the support. I got a lot of growth this year and it's a lot more to go, so I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.